Hi, everybody. I'm going to share a tip with you that will help you to determine if someone is lying about where they were or what they were doing. To verify an experience, ask questions about peripheral aspects of the story, details someone would likely recall if they really had the experience, but which they would not recall if they didn't have the experience. Focusing on unexpected details can be a highly effective way to determine if someone's account of a place or event is genuine or fabricated. If someone says they were at a movie theater, you can ask, "What trailers did you see?" If someone says they had dinner at a friend's house, you can ask, "What color were the plates?" Questions like these are effective because genuine memories are filled with details, and fabricated stories focus on a main narrative and lack incidental details. This approach provides avenues for confirmation. You can potentially verify the trailers showing at the theater. You can potentially verify the color of the plates. If someone says they were at a sushi restaurant, you can ask, "How did they serve the wasabi? Was it on a plate? Was it in a bowl?" If someone says they were at the library, ask, "What did the table look like? What did the chair look like?" If someone says they drove somewhere, ask, "What roads did you take? Was there any construction along the way?" To avoid sounding confrontational, you can ask these questions in a casual way. For example, "Oh, you were at the theater. What trailers did they show? I'm curious about what new movies are coming out." If the person says they were walking alone in the night, you can ask, "How dark was it? Were there any smells in the air? How warm or cold was the air? Was there wind? Did you see the moon? What shape was the moon? Did you see the stars?" When someone describes an event, ask, "What emotions were you feeling?" The response to this question wouldn't be verifiable, but it would be hard to answer because if they didn't have the experience, they would have to make up the emotions. The core of a story is easy to fabricate, but the surrounding details are hard to fabricate. So focus on the periphery. It's a reliable way to authenticate a story. Thanks for joining me for this quick communication tip.